Hi Krishna Prasath.
Hi ma'am,
How are you?
I'm fine.
This is Savitri from Quality Department. Today I am going to take a feedback from your side. So first of all, congratulations your placement. So can you introduce yourself?
It's Krishna Prasath. I'm from Salem and I completed my BE Civil Engineering at the Kongu Engineering College, Erode Perundurai, and now I am completed my Interior Design Management course in CMTI.
Okay, how you got to know about the CMTI?
Ma'am, my senior referred me, ma'am, and while searching in online and by asking my senior, and I joined CMTI.
Okay, in CMTI, which course you are taken?
Interior Design Management plus BIM course, ma'am.
What you learn in that?
I have learned the basic interior design details and the types of materials which are used for interior design, and learned and visited more showroom visits and site visits.
Okay, what are the softwares you learn?
I have learned AutoCAD, Sketchup, and Revit, and rendering softwares like V-Ray.
Okay, you have visited various site and showroom visit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which are the site and showroom visit you are have visited?
I have visited Home Lane, Pepper Fry, in Material Depot, IKEA.
Okay, what you have learned in the site and showroom visit?
Home Lane, அப்புறம் ஐக்கியா இதில் வந்து பேஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அங்கே வந்து எப்படி கிச்சன் யூனிட்டு அதெல்லாம் எப்படி டிசைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம். அப்புறமேட்டு அங்கே எந்த மாதிரி மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் அங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க, அங்கே என்ன ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க, அந்த மாதிரி பார்த்தோம். அப்புறமேட்டு கஸ்டமர்ஸ் கூட எப்படி இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, ஸோ அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்.
Okay, for which role you are selected?
For junior interior designer.
Okay, how many rounds are there?
3 rounds.
What were the rounds?
First will be drawing in AutoCAD, and they give some room dimensions. I want to draw for a kitchen and wardrobe, TV unit, and then it will be a technical round, and last it will be a HR round, which will be in online.
Okay, you have used our CMTI app, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are the benefit in our CMTI app to crack the interview?
In the CMTI app, they will provide all notes and materials which are required, and every concept in CMTI app.
So finally, what you want to tell your senior friends about the CMTI?
You will teach a very good manner, and I will give more notes and provide technical supports, and you through CMTI will provide more showroom visits and site visits, which will give more experience through that field.
Okay, thank you for your feedback, Krishna Prasath. Congratulations for your placement. Have a great future.
Thank you.